Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix incoming calls not working on Android. Yes, sometimes your incoming calls is not working for some reasons. First, you need to check your signal. So if you swipe down the notification panel, and you can see the signal at the top. If you notice that it has no signal, that's basically a reason why you can't receive any incoming calls. Now, the second option is try to make sure that your SIM is installed correctly. So you can go to the SIM settings and you can see if the SIM is enabled right here on your mobile phone. Now, to figure out the third way to fix the incoming calls is go back to the settings and try to search for the do not disturb option. So go back to this settings here on search settings. So type here do not disturb, and we will check this one if this is toggled on. So you need to make sure that it is turned off, because if you turn this on, there'll be no reminders for incoming calls and notifications. So you need to make sure that it was turned off. And here on notify about repeated calls, you can turn it on so it can ring or vibrate while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. So that's it. That's how you basically fix incoming calls not working. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.